This video I'm gonna show you how to enable remote access in Windows 10. So firstly click on Start, then type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Here click on System and Security. Now here you will see option Allow Remote Access. So click on it. Now check this option Remote Assistance. So allow, and Remote Desktop. So click on Allow Remote Connections to this computer. You can select user from here. Then click on Apply, then OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, by this simple step we can know how to enable remote access in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.